Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add your actual products into the deals you created in Pipedrive. What do we need for that? Obviously, we need some kind of product. You need the price in whatever currency you fancy, and then the tax rate. Also, it will have an ID and a couple of other things, obviously. But let's say you are trying to start a new deal and you want to add your already existing product into the deals so it can be present in invoice without you typing all the new stuff again over and over again. So we want to go to deals and we want to start a new deal. As you can see, you should probably already know how it's done. Right now, let's write down the person that's gonna be responsible or who's on the other side of this deal. Let's go with Anna and some color, Anna purple, and we want to add her as a new contact. For organization, Spacey thingies. Better like this. And this is the deal. And right now we should stop because we are about to add the product. We are adding the product, and at the moment we can see the products and it's called rockets. We have a rocket, price is 60,000, and they want 5 of them. So it's 300,000 euros. Then pipeline, expected close date. Let's go like this, and you can also choose how you want to be visible, like owners group or entire company. And we are going to do entire company. Straight away, you can see the space thingies deal. And there are no schedule activities for this group. We can schedule the activity. We can go with meeting, for example, BM as a business meeting, starting 10th and then 15, and we are save it. Now, space thingies deal is going to create it, and also we created new contact and also new organization called Spacey thingies. And that's about it, guys. If you have any more questions about Pipedrive, please leave them underneath this video. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day.